everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today I have a drugstore slash Walmart haul for you guys. So you're probably saying, but Nicole, you say you don't go anywhere, which is true, I don't. But I only go out to Walmart or to the drugstore once every 2 weeks or once every 3 weeks. Really depends on if I need to go out and get fresh vegetables or fresh fruits. That will depend on when I actually go out. But it's like once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks. So when I'm out, then I'm like, okay, I need to sit down. I need to think of things that I actually need to pick up. And I just need to pick up a new mascara because my Velvet Noir mascara by Marc Jacobs, that's like totally out. And I need to pick up a new mascara primer as well. So I was like, okay, I need to pick up a few little things here and there. So why not put it in a haul video for you guys? So I have my bag of stuff right here, and this first product that I'm actually going to be talking about, I picked this up into Walmart, and I was like, wow, I haven't seen this out yet, but it is by L'Oreal, and this here is the L'Oreal Paris, and this is the matte lip crayon. I did get mine in 511, which is Lady Toffee. This here, I'm not wearing it today, but I am after wearing this now a few times, and I absolutely love it. It is so super gorgeous, and it's this beautiful nude matte shade. I'll swatch it for you guys. But it also has like a hint of pink to it, so it's not like overly nude, because you know me, what I'm going to say. I am so pale. When I put on nude lipstick, my lips disappear, and it's not flattering. I am not about that look at all whatsoever. So I do find that it's really hard for me to find a good nude lipstick. So this one here is really, really pretty. Like I said, it has like that hint of a beautiful pink to it, and it's really super comfortable. Even though they say it's a matte crayon, but it's not like to the point where it's like super drying on the lips. It's really, really nice, and the lasting power is amazing. And the fragrance, it has like a sweet toffee smell mixed with vanilla. Like I was saying to my friend Amanda that it almost smells like the MAC lipsticks, but then when I smelled the MAC lipsticks, they're more vanilla. This is like a toffee mixed with vanilla smell, which is really, really nice, because you know that some drugstore lipsticks have that like really gross smell, which I am not a fan of, but this hair is beautiful and I just really love it. It's super, 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 super de-duper comfortable as well. And it was like $10 and change, and they did have quite a big shade range, like from like nudes to like, they had a beautiful orange color there too, and then it went into the berry tones. So maybe like in 3 weeks time when I'm out again, I will definitely be picking up another one of these. So for the longest time, I have been wanting to try the new Patrick Ta brow wax product. It still says coming soon, for the tinted one and the one that is clear. And I have been waiting for such a long time for it to come online. And I'm like, okay, I'm probably going to be waiting forever. So when I was at Walmart, I was like just browsing. I was like, okay, I want to go there really quick just to see what kind of brow products are at around. And I found this one here by e.l.f. And I actually have it in my brows today. And this here is the e.l.f. and it's the Gel and Powder Eyebrow Kit. So this one here is medium honey, and I was like, okay, let's try it, let's see, because the lighter shade, which would be like, I'm assuming like light, say blonde, was all sold out. So I was like, okay, let's pick it up. And of course it comes with this little tiny brush here, which is, it is good, but you know, it's very tiny. But as you could see, I am after using this here is the gel, and this here is the powder, because I thought to myself, ooh, you know, like the Patrick Ta brow gel, you know, it kind of looks like this too, but I'm wondering if it's going to be the same like formula, like will it apply the same? So when I do get it, I'm going to do a comparison for sure. So as you can see, I actually took my little spoolie, and first I tried the brow gel by itself. Ooh, it was like way too dark. So I was like, okay, no, we're not doing that. So I went in with the powder, and I just used the little brush that it came with it. Like I said, it's nice, but it's very tiny. The powder product applied really nice, and it seemed like it just glided onto my brows really well. Then I just took my spoolie and I dipped into the brow gel and I just brushed it through my brows. And I have to say, so far so good. I am really liking it. It was really inexpensive too. I think it was like under $5, so it wasn't overly expensive. But yeah, so I kind of wish that they did have the lighter shade, because with my hair color underneath, it doesn't really go well, but when I have this wig on, it looks good. But yeah, so, you know, this probably will be my new best friend for my brows. So like I said, I did buy a new mascara and a new mascara primer. It's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara along with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara primer. Love these two so much. I do compare it to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but this one here is just a bit better, just saying. But I do love the mascara primer. I was never one for mascara primers till Samantha Jane started talking about it, and I was like, okay, maybe I should try to use a mascara primer. Maybe it'll make my little tiny stubbly lashes look a little bit bigger. And it actually does. And it makes the mascara apply really nice as well. This mascara and the primer, it doesn't go on clumpy. It just glides onto the lashes really super nice. So yeah, had to buy backups because I don't have no more mascara. I used it all up. Imagine, I used up all of my mascaras. Like, I never thought that would be possible, but it actually is. So now I could actually go on to use these two because I don't have any other ones now. So this one here, the mascara is in the Blackest Black, which is 200. And then this one here is in 250, the mascara primer. So these are great. If you haven't tried them yet, I highly recommend them. So the next product that I picked up is by Quo, and it's the gel eye mask. And these are so cute, little donuts. Totally cute. But anyways, I seen these and I was like, oh, okay, I definitely need these, because I had one that I purchased from Sephora a long time ago, completely used that up, wore it out till it was no good no more. So you just take these and you could pop them in your fridge to help with the puffiness underneath your eye area. And I do find some mornings when I wake up that underneath my eye area is a little bit puffy. When I did use the one from Sephora, I did find that it helped, and I actually found that it really made me relax. But you could also take these two and put them in a bowl of warm water for comfort and relaxation. So you could take them and put them in your fridge to help with the puffiness, but then if you want to relax and just, you know, enjoy summer, pop them in a warm bowl of water, put them on, and just relax. So I'm really curious to see how well they work, because I really did like the ones that I purchased from Sephora. So this next product here, I cannot get it online, completely sold out online at Sephora, and I'm like, you guys are killing me here. Like, I need my face shavers. I just need my face shavers. Walmart was completely out. So when I was into Shoppers, I was like, okay, let's see if I can find them. Went looking around, couldn't find them. Quo has face shavers that they look similar to the ones from Sephora, which are the ones I always buy, and I absolutely love them. So I asked the lady, I was like, hey, is there any face shavers here? And she's like, oh yeah, down here on the bottom shelf. This is why they're so hard to see. So these ones here are by the Silk, and they're touch-up shavers. You know, just 3-pack of shavers. And it does come with like a little tiny cover to protect the blade. I have been shaving the peach fuzz off my face for a very long time now. And I just find that it makes my makeup application look really nice, and I find that it helps with my skin, like exfoliates my skin. People always say, oh, you know, does your hair grow back faster on your face? Not for me. Like, you can't even see it. My hair on my face is very light. Yeah, but they're also besides that, it's also for eyebrows as well. So like when I want to touch up in between my eyebrows, I can. But yeah, 3-pack of little shavers, which was very hard to find. They were $11 and change. The ones from Sephora that I always get are like $12. So I'm going to try these ones out, see if I like them. Hopefully I do. If not, then I will definitely be getting the ones from Sephora because they are my go-to ones. I really, really do like them. But these ones here, like the blade looks a little bit different compared to the ones from Sephora. And of course, it wouldn't be a drugstore haul without some Kiss lashes. I am obsessed with Kiss lashes. They are hands down, by far, my favorite brand of lashes to use. I did do a video on my favorite Kiss lashes. I will pop the link right here for you guys to check it out if you haven't seen it. The reason why I love these lashes so much is not only are they like easy to apply, but I do have small eyes. You know, my eyes are tiny. Each of these lashes, like all the different styles, I don't have to cut. They all fit my eye shape perfectly, which is why I love them so much. These ones here are in the style Tulle, and they're just beautiful lashes. So, and I just bought some cotton rounds for, you know, removing eye makeup. Just something really, you know, that's necessary. I love these. They're just soft. They're 100% pure cotton. What else can I say about little cotton pads? Not a whole lot. It's just that they work. They make it easy for me to remove eye makeup, especially when I'm wearing glitter eyeshadows. You know, it just removes it off so easily and then it's not all over my face. And I went ahead and I bought some Quo nail polish remover. This is the regular strength, but the thing I like about it the most is that it has a little pump. So you just take your little cotton pad and you just press it down and pump, and I find it so much easier for nail polish remover instead of like buying those ones that you could dip your fingers in or even the big bottle. I just find that these ones here put out a lot of nail polish remover, and it's easier to get at. Let's say this was on sale for like $2.99, really inexpensive, but really hard to get because the last time I bought one of these was like years ago, and then they were like always sold out, and it just so happened that they had them in stock. So I really do like these bottles compared to the bigger ones or just the ones that you dip your fingers in. Cash is over sitting down on the floor. She wanted to come in the room. She didn't want to be by herself. So, hi. You want to say hi? You can say hi from a distance. Hi. So I did buy 2 shaving creams here. And these ones here are the Coconut Delight. I'm really excited to try these because Coconut Delight smells delicious. But I got these because it was buy one and then get the second one and earn 1,500 points. You know, because Shoppers has a point system. So for so many points, like sometimes you could get 1,500 points. Sometimes if you go in and spend X number of dollars, you get 20 times the points. So you could build it up and build it up and build it up. And then you could go in and get all of your products for free. So I couldn't pass on that 1,500 points. I definitely cannot pass on that. So my last product is a concealer, and I have been needing a new concealer for the longest time. I've been using like my ColourPop concealer. That one's almost gone. My YSL concealer is completely gone, which is my go-to favorite concealer. So I've been running very low on concealers. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, let's pick it up. And it's by NYX Cosmetics, and it's Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. I did get mine in the shade Pale. I haven't tried it out yet. Don't know what it's like. I'm going to give it a go and see how well it works. Hopefully I do like it, but the radiant part got me. Like, I'm all about the glow, the radiance lately. Like I said in my last video, my previous video, I said ever since I got that Hourglass metallic palette, I'm all about the glow. I can't control myself. So you guys, that's it for my drugstore haul. Let me know in the comments down below, have you picked up anything from the drugstore lately? Has it been from cotton pads to mascara to eyeliner to hairspray, body wash, shampoo, whatever you guys needed to pick up, let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.